Olabise bulungi, onyirira bulungi, fanana bulungi. Olabise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadda buuza nze nnyabo akavidiyo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold, nayo nnyumidde gwe n'okamala.
Right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, today I have something that is very, very interesting, very, very lovely. And this hairstyle, I really do recommend it to those ones with broken hairline, those with weak hairline, and to those ones who love to do crochet that lasts longer. And of course, I can give it from 3 to 4 months. Yes, because I really know how it does last. And those ones, so have you ever played it, like those hairstyles that you the more it grows, the more it keeps on looking nicely. So these are some of the hairstyles that I always recommend to you guys that you can always do. And this time around, let's try to do something that goes behind the cornrows. And what you should always not forget is that the cornrow that we do, the type of the cornrow that we do always have to be equivalent to the crochet that we're going to do. And guess what? Let me just do this. Yesterday I got a client and she wanted to do jumbo twists, and you remember that jumbo twists are always big twists. Now she wanted it in a crochet format, but for her, when she saw the cornrows, they were big, and she felt like if she also do the big cornrows, they're going to come out soon. So she opted for small cornrows. And then I was like, you want small cornrows and yet you're going to do this jumbo twist extension? That one is not allowed. And we started quarreling because she just wanted all she was crying for is the hair to last longer, and thinking that if the small cornrows, they're going to last long, until I tried to explain to her that if the cornrows are very small, and when you're going to pass in there a bigger crochet extension, it means it is going to be painful and it's going to cause tension that will even make the cornrow to come out soon. But when the cornrow is big, of course the crochet is also supposed to be big, so that the when you're crocheting, it becomes easier, and there it cannot come out soon. So it was a really long story about that, but until she really she trusted me to do the process, and we did it. So I found out that this is the same mistake that most people do up to now, that they opt for small cornrows, or maybe they do something according to their comfort, yet it is going to cost to their natural hair. So I would also try to advise you guys that those ones who are doing the crochet, please try to communicate with your stylist if they know what they're supposed to do. But you should not go to the salon and you tell the people what you want to do when it comes to the cornrows that are going to, maybe you can tell them the style, how you want it, but trust me, once the crochet is small, don't ask for big cornrows, and once the crochet are big, don't ask for small cornrows. That is what I can say about that. So right, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the channel where you always find different types of hairstyles. And yes, I will make sure that I upload every week. So to all those ones who would want our natural hair products, you can always click in those links in the bio. They're going to take you to the shop online. You will get the products at your door. So this is what we do here. And guess what, as we're moving, let's try to see how this corner is going to be. We do it faster so that we can finish and we start doing our crochet. But remember, we are using the inward knotless braiding. Okay, the inward cornrow. Sorry, it is the inward cornrow, and this is the most long-lasting cornrow that I always tell you to do. Very, very nice. So let's continue.
Number one running
We told you not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu bwa pulo. The muli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he ma run them. Kuchembiri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina Chongaba, hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh no no, Dolina Chongaba, Dolina.
Of course, most of the times whenever we're done, we always apply the anti-itch, and this is one of the products I've been telling you that before we do anything, we always apply it inside the cornrow so that it does not itch, and even it protects the hair from breakage, still it makes the hair to grow. So now that is the magic that is in that oil that we already do. That's why most of the times I don't skip it. Like I always have to put it in most of my clients whenever we are done with the cornrow. So right now let's start doing the crochet. So this time around we are going to be just passing it through straight, and then we start doing the twisting. So this is also going to be very simple to those ones who are learning. It is really very, very, very simple. Yes, so this one, as we're adding, we just keep on twisting. To those ones who know the spring twist, those ones who have the spring twist, you can still use any extension as long as it's called spring twist. Trust me, you will have it. This one is going to be very, very easy for you. So what I'm not going to forget is that most of the times whenever we do this kind of a hairstyles, one thing that should go in our mind is the finishing. How are we going to finish it? That is the main thing. Okay, so let's continue here by packing everywhere, every space, so that is very, very packed. And why you make it very packed? So that if this person leans on something, it does not lose any shape. Okay, so let's do the packing.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you.
So when we are done with everything here, you can see that I'm spraying the moisturizing spray. Yes, so then after I just sew the sides. You always have to sew the sides, but make sure that you sew them very nicely. Yeah, I sew the sides, this side plus the other side. Make sure that you sew them very, very well, and then we start doing the see, like that, you see, very easy. These are the things that I say that most of the times we do the things, but we should always know how they're going to end, how you're going to finish it, because that is the most important thing. If you don't know how you're going to finish it, then that is it is very, very bad. Okay, so after it all, we start doing the trimming, and this is how we trim our hair. This is how it is. You just have to trim until it is perfect. So this is called Afro spring, and those ones who would want to try, if you have spring twist, please just use it. It can do perfectly, and I really recommend this type of hair to those ones with weak hairline, those ones who want crochet that lasts longer, those ones who want stress-free hairstyle. It is very, very easy. The only thing about maintaining it, don't pinch it. Don't pinch it by styling. Don't pinch it. Don't comb it. The only thing is, you just have to keep on using your hand slowly, like gently, as you keep on how can I say it, the ones that you see that trying to show, you keep on, you see how I'm doing my hands. And then another thing is, you have to use the hair mouse. That is very, very nice for it. So you can see how it is well shaped and very nice. For me, I love it already. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Big shout out to you guys who have been with me ever since we started and now here. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
Zabadabuza nze nyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold, nayo nyumide gwe no kamala. Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa bisidi crochet master, bali professional mu byenviri bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. All in it like expected, so good and fancy.